Hey, Motorman here, and today is how-to day. What we're going to do is we're going to put a set of Tab Performance mufflers. I'm going to show you those. And we're going to take those mufflers and put them on this brand new 2022 Fat Boy. It's a very easy, basic installation, and this is my assistant Joe Pierce. This is his new bike, and he said he needed to put some exhaust on it because this is way too quiet. I'm going to show you what this sounds like. And he knows that I use Tab Performance mufflers. He loves the sound of those mufflers on my bike. So we're going to put them on this 2022. First thing I'm going to do though is let you hear this bike with the stock mufflers, which is not bad. It's just, yeah, it's not good. That, of course, is the stock sound. And like I said, it's not bad. It's just not really good. The computer should adjust itself enough. It's, I believe, a Delco computers. And after riding it for a while, it will richen the mixture up enough so that you don't actually have to do anything with the fuel injection. At least that's been my experience. Now, to get these mufflers off, you got to get to these Allen heads right here. And you really can't reach them with a T-handle. So we're going to show you a little trick what we did. So what we've done is taken this 3/16 Allen and we're going to put it in a little extension. Show them the extension, Joe.
Right there.
Here's the ratchet with the little extension on there. We're going to put the ratchet on, and that should make it easy to get these Allen bolts out. You could also do it with an L-shaped Allen wrench, but you're going to have to do a lot more cranking. Yeah, we're just going to take that clamp off. By the way, folks, Joe is Joe Pierce. He's my assistant. He assists me at all the classes, and he does all the demonstrations now because, well, my wife is still out of commission for another few weeks at the very least. He's also my head of security. Whenever whenever I'm around a crowd, I always take Joe with me. And he's only like 5'4", but he charges me half as much as like the taller guys. You know, you get a guy who's 6'4", 250. It's going to cost you serious money. Joe works for less than half of that.
Nice and gentle without scratch.
Now on the bottom one, you got to just twist it a little bit to make sure when you're wiggling it, you're not getting in the way of that bracket. Of course, they come with instructions. You're not going to read those, are you, Joe?
No.
Real men never read instructions. It's a last resort.
Yep, and it's a small wrench.
Let me get a close-up of these end caps. They look beautiful. High quality. And wait till you hear how well they sound. I'm going to put a little bit of blue Loctite on these Allen bolts. I think it's best to line up the Allen bolts first before tightening the clamp. Tighten up the muffler clamp, and the bottom muffler is all set.
Gear.
So we're going to use a 7/16 to tighten the muffler clamp on this one because it's a little difficult to get to with the ratchet. So it's old school. And of course, here's what it looks like with the Tab Performance mufflers. I love these end caps.